Do you have fear of maths? Do you think that maths is very difficult? Scoring in maths is very difficult? I have a solution for you. If you feel that maths is difficult for you, it's because that right from your childhood you have been facing this problem. Every time whenever you have written an exam, you have scored less in maths. Your teacher has told that you are dull in maths. Your friends have made fun of you that you are dull in maths. Because of that, it is there in your mind that scoring in maths is very difficult. So it is a continuous process that has been followed by you to make the subject maths as difficult. Now to remove that fear, you need to follow certain steps. First and foremost thing is, now in the next coming test, make it a point that you are going to score well in maths. Try to work hard. Try to repeat the subject, practice the subject 3 to 4 times in such a way that in the coming test, at least try to improve 5% of your marks compared to your previous marks. And in the next second test, try to improve the marks by 10%. Go on increasing the marks by 10% so that your confidence increases, and when you reach the final exam you can score very well. And apart from that, try to motivate yourself by writing down some confidence, uh, uh, giving confidence to you. Try to write down that few affirmations such that I am good in maths. I feel learning maths. I love to learn maths. I love to score good in maths. This type of affirmation, give it to yourself so that you can score in the coming exam very well. Thank you.